have a terrific recipe for you today. It is my bacon deviled eggs. Oh my God, are they delicious and a treat. You guys are gonna love it for the next upcoming holiday. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So without further ado, let's get started. So you wanna start out with some cold water. You have your eggs in some cold water and you wanna add some salt to that, and you wanna boil them until they are hard boiled. Next, you want to fry your bacon. So I have some bacon in a hot skillet and I'm going to fry it until it is crispy. Then I'm going to remove it and put it on a paper towel to drain off the excess fat. So the next step after your eggs are done, you want them to cool and you want to peel them. And so then you want to take the yolks out of the inside of the egg. So you want to pop that yolk right on out of there. Sometimes it'll pop out, sometimes you'll have to help it out. But anyway, you want to cut the egg lengthwise and then you want to pop that yolk out and then set it in whatever serving tray you're going to be using. And this is how you would do it. So you guys, if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, you need to go ahead and press that button. It costs you absolutely nothing, I promise. If you press that button and give your girl a thumbs up. So the next thing you want to do is you want to smash your egg yolks. You want to take a fork and you just want to keep smashing until they turn into like little pebbles. You don't want them real chunky pieces of egg in your deviled eggs. It's not a good taste. So just go ahead and just smash them. And then the next step we're going to do is add in those, I'm going to take and I'm going to cut those bacon bits down. So after they've cooled, I'm going to cut them down because I want them to be like a crumble and not really chunky pieces of bacon. I'd rather have them as a crumble. So now after I've done that, I've added that to my eggs. I've added in a little bit of mayo and I'm gonna add in some relish. You can do sweet relish or dill relish. It's up to you on your taste. I've added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to mix to combine. And then if you want to taste it and see if the filling is to your liking. This is kind of dry, so I'm going to add some more mayo and I'm going to add a little bit more relish until it gets to the right texture. And I'm also going to taste it to make sure it is where it needs to be. Also added in a little bit of mustard as well. And I am stirring to combine. So this is the texture that I want. So I'm just going to use a dollop of the egg mixture in each egg. If you want to make them fancy, you will put them in a wonderful pastry bag with a wonderful tip. And then this will make them really fancy for a special event. You can top it with bacon bits like I'm doing here, a little bit of chives as well. Or you can just add a little bit of smoked paprika as well. It's up to you. This is the final dish, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, I like to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.